Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Oracle SQL Introduction. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover Oracle SQL Basics. We can connect to database using SQL plus command. We can run the SQL in script mode by creating SQL file with .sql extension and running the script using ampersand SQL file name. Or, we can run the SQL in interactive mode by typing the SQL code on terminal. We can disconnect from database using exit command. We can add single-line comment using 2 hyphens. And add multi-line comment by starting with /* and ending with */. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.